Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see a network or connection error in the NAB app, first start by checking your internet connection. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related or weak or unstable connections. They often cause this error. Then turn your airplane mode on, wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off to reset your network connection. If the issue continues, restart your phone and reopen the app. You should also check if NAB services are temporarily down due to maintenance, as connection errors appear during outages, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.